Welcome to the mix. And on the mix today, we have LA. Now he's saying that he spoke to the pastor, Kevin Smith, who remember when he died. Yes, so he said he spoke to him. He looks a bit different. And so, he's saying it's a cover up and whatever. So you have to go and check out the video to see what he's talking about because, clearly we are in the loops, we're in the hidden. Well, I don't know. Go check it out and see for yourself what you think about this video and what he has to say. Do we think it's true? Do you think Kevin Smith is still alive? Check out the video. Please subscribe to the channel right now.
So get a call since night again, people. So I come off a location, people, where I just talked to the man himself. Put on look a bit of weight, but he might go on. Yes, people, sad situation. You see how the system can frame people because people decide to tell the truth. I don't know if no one know who's Kevin Smith. Kevin Smith is a Zion pastor, Zion Roman Catholic / Zion pastor who retired from the Roman Catholic and decided to start up him own thing and decides him don't need the Roman Catholic Church again because him have whole heap of secrets and him have whole heap of books and whole heap of thing, and then decides him to stand up against the new world of the pandemic, what is spearheaded by the Roman Catholic, but issued out by the licky politician them and the sellout so-called Christian them. So people, so have a nice meeting with Kevin Smith, people. Yes, and couple of congregation and couple new people. Yes, and so a very nice man, people. Yes, and so anybody who dispute that Kevin Smith is still alive, you can do what you want, but you can't prove say he is dead. None of you can ever prove say he's dead. First thing, people, there is no date of burial, and if them say them cremate him, there is no what they call now book work or no office work or no traces of no cremation or no morgue that cremated Kevin Smith, people, and there is no family member that can tell us them went to Kevin Smith cremation, and there is no church member out of his thousands of followers that can say yes, not one, we cremate our priest, His Excellency Kevin Smith, people. Well, big up Kevin Smith, people. I speak to the man himself. I remember until today, the offer still lies. Any politicians, and him said it's going to go to the politicians, the current politicians, and it's going to go to the Roman Catholic Church. Any one of them who can prove that he's dead, His Excellency Emperor Urus Louis, I am with several more of my followers, is the referee. Why would Kevin Smith choose the Emperor? First thing, he said, I remind him of Marcus Garvey, I remind him of Malcolm X, I remind him of himself. Not in the gear way, you know. That's all kind of Kevin is a gear and him no hide it, yes, and but when it come on to loving the people them, doing spiritual work and doing tables and all these things, and don't afraid to preach the words of the ancestors them, him give him a rating to that. So, and for come out with the Nyankepong maroon tribal identification cards, because him say he was going to come out with it if I didn't come out with it, and he was the one who influenced Her Excellency Portia Simpson Miller to do it. When I hear Portia, they say she's the now new queen. Yes, and so big up Kevin Smith people. So, remember people, we know the police what died, him get buried, and they were exaggerated that it's 2 police when it was 1 police. So, and that is a good look at you. They used to live over Portmore people, then they moved from Portmore. Yes, and so them inject him, as Kevin Smith said, because as the car crash, them inject him in his neck with the poison and kill him as a car accident. Yes. So, and I got a ring for Kevin Smith, and I got a blood sample. Yes, son, with one more thing, people, with a tape. So, a powerful tape, people. Between I know this a bootleg the tape, people. I've printed about 25 copies of the tape, people, with some famous politicians, some famous church people, and some famous millionaires and it people, high class society people, in some compromising position and doing whole heap of things, people. So I have the tape. So Kevin Smith said, Emperor, keep this tape in safekeeping, and it will do no harm to you if you can bootleg even 2 of them. So I've done the honors, people. And it is also for protection to people. Yes, son. So, because everybody knows said between the Anja Holness